So hello friends, you are welcome to my new YouTube channel, The Techie. So in this YouTube channel we will be talking about Windows and some other operating systems and much more about software related content. So let's start. In our first video we will be talking about how to get Windows 7 ISO file for free. So friends, before starting, please consider subscribing and please also like the video if this is helpful for you. Please friends. So let's start. And also this is my first and this is a new channel, and also this is my first channel, so please consider commenting down what do I need to improve in my videos. So let's get started. So friends, as you can see, this is my laptop screen. So first of all, what you need to do is open any of your preferred browser. I generally use Google Chrome. You can use any browser of your choice. After it's opened, you need to type there are basically two ways to get this. One is go to the original Microsoft site, or rather you can type here Windows 7 download. So what actually happens is, if you go to the original Microsoft site and try to download Windows 7 ISO file, it would ask for a product key. So many people in India do not use product keys for Windows. If you have a genuine product key, go ahead and put it right here, verify and download Windows. But for those people who don't have Windows product keys, I have another solution for you. So just open a new tab and type getintopc.com. This website link would be also in the description, so you can check out the first link that would be of this website. It will directly take you to this home page. Once click on this logo, then it would be refreshed. Now here as you can see, it's written search website. So now you will type Windows 7 and just hit enter. The site will reload and there would be a lot of search results. So basically you need to click on this one, Windows 7 Service Pack 1 AIO 11 into January 2021. This is the latest link. Click on this one, go down, and according to your operating system you can click over here. And if you don't know which type of or which bit operating system you are using, is first click on start button, type this PC, click on properties, settings will open if you are using the latest version of Windows. Then over here you can see system type 64-bit operating system. If you are using a 32-bit operating system, go ahead and download the 32-bit version, and if you are using 64-bit version, then download this. So as I am using 64-bit operating system, I will click on it, 64-bit download. A new page will pop up. This is not any other side, this is that side only, and this is direct download link, so you don't need to worry. There are no viruses over here. So as you can see, it started downloading and it's saying 2 hours until download. So after it downloads, it will be shown as a downloaded ISO file in your downloads folder over here, right here, like it's showing unconfirmed download, so it will show as a downloaded file over here. So this was it for today. If you like this video, then please consider sharing it with your friends, and please consider subscribing to the channel and supporting me. And thanks for watching.